would call upon Hashwit Father Mr. Shivakumar Kanukuntla. Mr. Shivakumar Kanukuntla, after completing his MSc Zoology and B.Ed from Osmania University, worked as a zoology lecturer and held various administrative roles in top educational corporate institutions since 14 years. Presently, he is successfully running a prestigious educational institution, which is none other than the Residence Junior College in Manikonda as principal and center head. Welcome, sir. It's an honor to have you with us. Thank you. Thank you.
Maheshwari can come out with the roles.
And who are the cute little buddies who will give a welcome bouquet to sir?
Dikshagna and K. Adya, please come forward with the bouquet. Again, alphabetical wise. This buddy is a soft-spoken child and a very friendly girl, quite tall. She's our Ayat. Very active, a little naughty and a very observant buddy. He's Abhiram.
Abhiram from Euro Junior 3 section.
Now this buddy is very obedient, calm and quiet in front of his teacher, but very naughty with his friends. He is none other than Muhammad Asjad Hussain. This cute little buddy is very energetic, talkative and loves to tell stories. She's Ana Marzia. This buddy is very quiet. He's playful too and very obedient in the class. He's Advik Dova.
It's around like I get it. I wrote the song in a second. It's around like I get it. I wrote the song in a second. It's around like I get it. I wrote the song in a second. There ain't nothing I can't do. It's all just what. It's around like I get it. I wrote the song in a second. There ain't nothing I can't do. It's all just whatever. And if I ask, I'm sure I think about the treasure when you were on the head. There's a pull up on the pedals. It's around like I get it. I wrote the song in a second. There ain't nothing I can't do. It's all just whatever. And if I ask, I'm sure I think about the treasure when you were on the head. There's a pull up on the pedals. A pull up.
This little buddy is a soft-spoken child, a little naughty, friendly and a bubbly girl. She is Aiza Fatima. this pretty girl, she's very inquisitive, observant, and she's ready to help anyone. She's Alekhya. Now this buddy is full of energy, very playful, little naughty, but he's good at all his activities and he's always talking in the class, keeping the class engaged. He's our Abir.
Abhi from Euro Junior B.
Euro senior.
Keep the claps rolling, parents. Keep the claps rolling.
This buddy is soft-spoken, naughty, but she's very, very friendly with everyone. You can always see her with a smile. She's Aiza Tehseen. He's very calm, he's very observant. This little buddy, very calm, obedient, comes to school with his glasses on, very disciplined. He is our Chervik.
Come on, Chervik, come on. Go fast, go fast.
Now this tall boy is very observant. Though his naughtiness would not come front. He does everything, silently. Very soft-spoken too and a friendly boy. He's our Grihid.
Grihid from Euro Junior B.
Euro senior.
Euro Senior B.
This buddy is very, very soft-spoken, very, very friendly with all the children and also disciplined too. She's Hanvi.
Hanvi of Euro Senior B.
Buddy who's very sensitive, but he's very, very bright and very disciplined too. He's Ishan.
Ishan, cute little boy.
Here comes the jumping jack, who's always active, who's naughty, and who has lots and lots of energy, and he always asks questions. He's our Jeriel Felsen.
He's the true jumping jack of the branch, not just the class. A very, very blessed child as far as his oral talking skill goes.
request. So you can please sit there.
Now, to do the honors for the remaining set of children from the Euro Senior B batch, can I call upon grandfather of Riyansh? Riyansh from
Euro Senior.
Euro Senior.
Hema.
Mr. Kumaraswamy, Gadde Kumaraswamy Garu, has got 36 years of extensive experience in the teaching field. He is retired as the gazetted headmaster in the year 2019. He has been honored by the collector of Nagar Karnool district for achieving a remarkable 100% SSC result in 2019, a testament to his unparalleled dedication and excellence. It's a great honor to have you with us today, Kumar sir, Kumaraswamy sir. Thanks a lot. And to give welcome him with a bouquet,
We have Hayati and Clara.
Hayati and Clara from Euro Senior would welcome Kumaraswamy Garu.
Look front, ma, Clara, for the photograph. Yes. Next set of B section. Now this buddy is very active. He looks quite, calm and composed, but he is very soft-spoken too. He's very observant and disciplined too. He's Joel Arpan.
Look friend.
You can come little front. Here you can come. Now this tall boy, he appears to be silent, but he's naughty, good at activities, and is very good with his friends too. He is Krithwik Karadi.
Krithwik from Euro Senior B.
This buddy, very cute, chubby girl with lots and lots of energy, and she's so caring of her sister too. She is Khyati.
Khyati from Euro Senior B.
This little boy, he has lots and lots of energy in him, very talkative, and the first one to answer in the class, he is Nishchit.
Nishchit.
Now this tall girl, she's very soft-spoken, friendly, and she's very, very organized. She's Noreen. This little buddy is very bright, soft-spoken, and friendly with everyone. He is Rudransh.
Don't you wanna?
This little buddy is very, very shy and sensitive when he joined us. But now we see an amazing transformation. He's Shreyansh Yodha. This little buddy is very shy. She's soft-spoken, very observant, and very, very disciplined too in the class. She's Suwaiba.
Suwaiba from Yellow Senior B batch.
This little buddy is very calm and soft-spoken. He's very friendly with everyone in the class. He's Muhammad Sirajuddin.
Mohammad Sirajuddin from Yellow Senior B.
This cute little buddy with a bundle of energy, and she's the first one to give the answer in the class. She's Sri Sharvi.
Sri Sharvi from Yellow Senior B.
This little buddy is very, very active in the class, very talkative, and she has lots of energy and observant too. She's Varanya Reddy. Bring the children aside. Sridevi, you can bring the children. Okay. Maheshwari, you can get the children.
don't care.
Children, just wait. So are you ready to celebrate your graduation today? Yes? Yes? Okay, so let's celebrate your graduation day. 1, 2, and 3.